Hi guys, it's Amanda, and look what I have today. It's the new or deluxe collector's edition of The Magic of Oz by Graphic 45. I guess this is a re-release, so I can't say it's new, but it is definitely new to me. I was so fortunate to get this yesterday. So anyway, this is the deluxe collector's edition. Like I was saying, it is a package of 12 double-sided 12 by 12 papers. There's 2 of each. There is chipboard set and stickers that come with it also. So on the front cover, this is, the general overview and all the little pictures down here. I've already taken this out of the plastic to make it easier, so I'll flip over. And this is the signature page. You can see Dorothy, the Scarecrow, the Lion, the Tin Man. You've got the Good Witch, the Bad Witch, and then the Great and Powerful Oz. Now, those of you who really know me know that I am not a big Wizard of Oz fan, but I do actually really love good artwork, and this is very good, detailed, and it's so well done that I love it anyway, even though I'm not a biggest Wizard of Oz fan. So the back of this is just little spider webs. And there's 2 of these. I'm going to flip through them really quick so that everybody can just see what is here before you buy it. If you buy it. This is like a conglomeration of Dorothy and the Scarecrow, Tin Man, the Lion, the Cowardly Lion. And they're all walking on like a yellow brick road. You've got some pretty plaid on the back that reminds me of Dorothy's dress right here. And I think that's on purpose. This is like an advertisement that says, "Wanted a brain." So how cute is that? And then an Oz description on the back. Or not description, just the words. It looks like some little cards you can cut apart if I wanted to. And they're all different characters from the Wizard of Oz. And then there's some ghosts on the back. I'm not sure what the ghosts represent, but okay. 2 of those. A field of poppies. Love this. So cute. I love that so much. It might be one of my favorites. And that's just a design on the back. It looks kind of like bubbles. Then we have a word collage of all. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Not sure what it is, but it's pretty. What's the name of it? It just says Munchkins. Okay, so these are considered Munchkins. And then there's 2 of those. And then we have some other designs here. It looks like little stamps, which you can either cut these apart or use them as a whole page. And it's called Parcel Post. Stripes on the back. Oh, that's pretty. It's almost like having another signature page. This is There's No Place Like Home. There's no place like home all the way around it. And it's got the Emerald City there. Quite cute. Then we have Goblin Gazette. It's like an old newspaper with all different things from Wizard of Oz. And that looks like another insignia of Oz. So we've got There's No Place Like Home cut aparts. I love this. That looks like a little postcard in the back. Witch of the West. No Place Like Home. I like the little slippers there. Oh, and you probably want to see the back of that. Look at that. The Wicked Witch of the West stockings and feet. Oh, look, it's the Tin Man. It only wants a heart. Heart on the back. I love this paper. It's so cool. And this was another signature looking piece. It's called the Wicked Witch of the West, all in purple. And on the back, it's got little compasses. And there's all this. The water would be the end of me. Talk the Witch. Oh, that's cute. And that was the last paper. And then the other things are the stickers. How cool are these stickers? Look at that. That one's so pretty. The rainbow. Munchkins. Glinda the Good Witch. Wicked Witch of the West. No Place Like Home. That'd be great on cards. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I mean, I've had a request for a mini book. So we'll see. And then got that, and then chipboard pieces also. So these are quite cute. I love this collection. So this just proves that even non-Wizard of Oz fans can find something to love about this paper, because it is just absolutely delightful, and I'm going to have so much fun putting together some fun projects for this. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that's included in this collection. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.